Hi there.
Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into an exciting way to level up your English practice using AI tools like ChatGPT. Whether you want to practice conversations, get grammar explanations, or expand your vocabulary, AI can be a game changer for your learning journey. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use ChatGPT and other AI tools to improve your English in fun and effective ways. Let's get started. Why use AI tools for learning English? AI tools are available 24/7, so you can practice anytime you want. They provide instant feedback, help answer your questions, and make personalized learning possible. Plus, it's like having a language partner right at your fingertips. Step 1. Practice conversations. You can use ChatGPT to simulate real conversations. Hi, how's your day going? ChatGPT. It's going great. Thanks. How about you? This helps you practice speaking in a back-and-forth dialogue, just like in real life. You can even ask it to act like a travel agent or customer service representative to make the conversation more realistic. Step 2. Learn new vocabulary. Ask ChatGPT to give you synonyms, definitions, or example sentences for new words. What does resilient mean? ChatGPT. Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example: she is a resilient leader who never gives up. You can also ask it to give you a list of words on a specific topic, like travel, business, or food. Step 3. Improve your writing. If you're practicing writing, you can ask ChatGPT to check your work. Can you check this sentence? He go to the store yesterday. ChatGPT. There's a small mistake. The correct sentence is, he went to the store yesterday. It's a helpful way to correct mistakes and improve your grammar. Step 4. Grammar and pronunciation tips. Need to understand a tricky grammar rule? Just ask. For example, can you explain when to use much and many? ChatGPT. Of course. Use much for uncountable nouns like water, and many for countable nouns like books. For pronunciation, you can practice reading sentences aloud and asking for feedback, or use text-to-speech tools that show you how words sound. Step 5. Creative learning activities. Ask ChatGPT to create fun learning exercises. Can you make a vocabulary quiz with 5 questions? Write a short story using these 3 words: adventure, mistake, and celebration. This keeps your practice interesting and engaging. Bonus tip: set daily challenges. Ask the AI to give you a daily language challenge. Give me a word of the day to practice. Can you suggest a question for me to answer in English? This keeps your practice consistent and helps you build a daily habit. Quick recap. Use ChatGPT to practice real conversations. Ask for definitions, synonyms, and example sentences to expand your vocabulary. Get your writing checked for grammar mistakes and learn how to improve. Ask for grammar explanations to understand tricky rules. Try creative exercises like quizzes, stories, and daily challenges. With tools like ChatGPT, learning English becomes interactive, personalized, and fun. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you'll become. And remember, consistency is key. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more practical and engaging English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to learn with the latest tools and reach your English goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.